perfect dinner with tuna for you to make. To begin our recipe, we will need 1 can of tuna, and 2 eggs. Let's beat them. We'll add 1 tomato, half an onion, parsley, and grated mozzarella. Let's add salt, pepper, and paprika. We'll add 1 tablespoon of flour and garlic. Take this moment to leave me in the comments from which city you're watching. As soon as the video ends, I'll answer you and send you a special hug. In a pan, we'll put some oil. Now, let's put the mixture we made. If you're enjoying this recipe, don't forget to like the video. That really helps our work. We'll cover the pan for a while and turn it over. At the end of the video, give me a grade from 1 to 10. And our delicious recipe is ready. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. A big kiss and see you tomorrow. Bye bye!